van die jager vir 3 laerskool Jaffa Rebeek. This is my thumb, a happy chum. This one's a freak who loves to speak. This one is loud, very proud. This little thing, she wears the ring. Tiny pinky paint, she wears the paint. Jamin, the first rhymes my mom taught me about my fingers. I wondered, is this just my mom's thing? So I googled fingers rhymes around the world, and boom, 11 million results in a snap. Clearly, the world's got a huge thing of fingers. So, with my thumb, index finger, and the rest loyal gang, I'm here to prove fingers are the most available treasure. My first valuable finger is mighty thumb. Through right and wrong, thumb stays strong. Since Facebook took over the world, this little guy, he becomes the judge of everything. But to me, it's the push of the hand. A surgeon, Dr. Al Perix, agrees in his 2025 book, Hand, Fingers, Thumb. He says, we can't grip a brick without it. Well, I tried, and it wasn't pretty. Even doctors insert their thumbs over 100 rand. So, no thumb, no grip, no chop, and no McFlurries on Friday. That proves my point. Through right and wrong, my thumb stays strong. My second cheerleader is an index, the bright one that says record and say your say. I'm journal Mallory Roberts that research across the world. She says the insect finger means leadership and confidence. You will hear it in her postcard, the Mallory Roberts Show. Okay, thanks, Auntie Mel. This finger got a serious boost. That's true. We panic when the teacher points at us. But this is my mini magic wand. I stick her up, say the answer, and I'm Supergirl. So yes, from don't mess with me to I've got this. Lady Insect help me say my say. And now, team effort. She rest of my hand says, fingers stick clearly when deaf people can't hear me. Bushwick Daniel Bell is a superhero with 2 master tests. In her video, The Conversion, she says it is sign language with her friends today. She has 40 schools for deaf kids inside Africa. That's 4,000 kids who can learn, laugh and life through their fingers. By the way, this is not the sign language that fortunate moms use. Well, if I use those signs, I won't sit for a week. My last point gets 8 thumbs because fingers speak clearly when the deaf people can't hear me. It's time to wave goodbye, Jamin. Literally, no fingers mean no life. My thumb stays strong through right and wrong. Lady Insect helps me to say my say. My hands speak clearly when deaf people can't hear me. From my thumb, the happy John, the pinky, who still wets the bed. My fingers are not just handy, they are my most valuable treasure.